So how to create income immediately using AI and starting your side hustle. How can you start a business today and give yourself the certainty you don't have at the moment in a job by starting a side hustle and doing things that are going to help you accelerate and give you control? People are generating real income with AI in weeks now, not years, not months, but weeks. You don't need staff, you don't need capital, you just need infrastructure and a really good idea. The barrier to making money has never in history of human civilization been this low. Why are you still sitting on, if you look at it and you're sitting, why are you sitting? And why are you sitting on the sidelines? And why aren't you opening your eyes? Because you should be opening your eyes. If the door is that much open, it's not closed, it's open. Anybody can start a business right now because you don't need as many staff. Now, when you look at the concept, it's about speed to income, not perfection, not branding, not building the perfect website. It's about cash flow. Most people delay because they overthink, they overplan, they look at business plans, they listen to people too much, they listen to the wrong people. They spend 6 months building a brand before they've even made a single dollar. You don't need to do that anymore. You can come out and do it overnight. Meanwhile, someone else with half the skills, half the brains, and twice the speed is already generating revenue because they've launched ugly and learned fast. What I mean by ugly, they've come in there, not even planned anything. They've gone in ugly and they've learned fast and they've pivoted. So how do we do this? Well, we pick a problem that exists right now. Don't invent a problem, pick a problem. There's plenty of them out there, just listen to the news. I wouldn't recommend listening to the news, but you can find problems on the news. Find one that really exists and is already costing people time and money. Not your average job that's going to get taken, like accounting and investment banking and all this sort of stuff, and investment knowledge, all this advice, all this content can be taken. It's stuff that involves leads, sales, content, and time management. Stuff that's going to include onboarding. These problems exist in accounting problems or financial investment advice, all these sort of things. I mean, this is really easy to get on AI. It's things around leads, sales, content, time management, admin, follow-up, onboarding. These are the problems that exist in every business, in every industry right now. Solve something urgent and use those skills. Urgent problems get paid fast. So if you use AI to build fast, AI can build your offer in hours. So it writes your messaging, it creates your scripts, it generates your content, it builds your outreach, it structures your proposal. You don't need a team. You need a laptop, a clear problem, and the willingness to move, and maybe one helper. Stop treating AI like a toy. Start treating it like your business partner for the future that works 24 hours a day, and I mean never complains, doesn't procrastinate. That's your worst nightmare when it comes to staff. The next step in the model would be to sell before you build. So this is where 90% of people get it wrong. They build first, they spend weeks creating something nobody asked for because they want certainty. In a market there's no certainty, in an era there's no certainty, in times where there's no certainty, then they wonder why nobody buys it. It's because somebody's already done it. Flip it, sell it first, ask real people, would you pay for this? Would this solve your problem if you had the problem? What would you need if you had to get it to be inclusive? If they say yes, build it. If they say no, pivot. You've just saved yourself months of wasted effort. Just ask somebody. It's really easy. Ask the right people. Don't ask people that are negative. Don't ask people that have been stuck in a job that they've been unhappy about for years and years and years, because they'll say no. And don't ask people that are in a business that don't enjoy it, because they'll say no. Ask somebody that wants to move forward as fast as you do. Use human behavior in your selling is the next step. AI can build the product, it just can't sell it. Never before has sales skills been so necessary and viable and significant. Asking the right question, doing the right thing, creating the right pain, the right urgency, the right follow-up, the right behavioral techniques, the right communication, the right pitch, the right solution, the right objection handling, and the list goes on. We do all this, but people don't buy products, they buy relief from pain. They buy the feeling of progress. They buy trust. Learn to create that feeling and you'll never struggle to make money because you're giving somebody something they can't put a dollar value on. The next point is deliver fast. Everything needs to be fast. It's the domino effect. Fast pizzas, fast delivery. It's never been so valuable. Deliver fast using AI. Speed wins. Perfection loses every time. Perfection will create procrastination every time. Deliver version 1 fast. Get feedback. Deliver version 2 faster. Version 3 faster. Rinse, repeat. The person who ships quickly and iterates beats the perfectionist who's still tweaking their logo and looking at the colors and looking at the side profile and seeing if it looks better in 3D. AI makes this possible. Use it to deliver results before your competition even starts. In summary, reinforce that value constantly. Don't just deliver once and disappear. Show results, communicate it. Show these results over and over and over again. Remind clients while they're paying for it. Remind clients why they're paying for it, and remind prospects why they should do it. Here's what we've achieved this month. Here's the impact we've had. Listen to this person. Here's what's coming next month. People don't cancel when they see value. They cancel when they forget it exists. So don't become that person with this business that forgets or becomes forgettable. And then finally, you want to turn it into repeatable income. One-off projects are a trap. That's all they are, they're a trap. They keep you running on a treadmill, they keep you doing the same thing. You want a service that turns into a retainer. Turn your product into a subscription. Turn your product into ongoing trailing commissions. Turn it into ongoing revenue every month. Turn your knowledge into recurring revenue streams. That's how you go from hustling every month to building something that compounds. Everyone talks about hustling. You can't keep hustling. It's like going to the gym and training for 8 hours a day. You can't do it, the body will give out. Hustling is only used in the beginning, and you keep hustling all the way through in segments, in pivots. You drip feed it. The fastest way to make money today is solving a real problem quickly using AI. Not thinking about it, not planning for 6 months, not waiting until you feel ready, not waiting until your partner says, now we're ready. Ready is a myth, speed is a weapon. So you just got to go and use it. So subscribe and go make your first dollar this week. Click on that link, we'll help you get there really quickly.